I think that virtually all industries where we have to make things for human beings or for the planet are ready for synthetic biology. We should be able to do that for all of the chemical things that we make: fuels, textiles, foods, materials. We should be able to make these using clean, sustainable biological processes.
Synthetic biology for me is a way to actually use the principles of biology to build new biological-based systems that can help us to address the big challenges of tomorrow in health, climate change and circular economy.
Al final el reto mayor es llevarlo a la clínica y que algo que descubramos en el laboratorio pues pueda beneficiar a la humanidad, ¿no? Salvar vidas de gente que hoy en día pues no tiene terapias, ¿no? Contra muchas de estas bacterias, superbacterias que son resistentes a todo lo que tenemos. Entonces yo diría que ese es el reto mayor al que nos enfrentamos. Pero bueno, hemos logrado avanzar algunas cosas y hoy en día pues podemos descubrir antibióticos en horas en lugar de años, ¿no? Entonces, bueno, poco a poco, pero vamos avanzando en este campo.
One of my key messages is actually that we need to preserve natural biology, because it's natural biology that got us where we are today. We need to preserve it, we need to respect it, treat it with dignity, and paradoxically I think that synthetic biology can help us to do that. If we can produce energy more efficiently and create a second green revolution, we won't need to destroy rainforests, we won't need to destroy wilderness and destroy species. So paradoxically, by engineering biology, we actually end up helping to save natural biology, and that's absolutely key.